Get something here. 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 Get something. Can I get a handkerchief? Can I get a handkerchief? Get something here. 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 Everybody say, wave it in the air. 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 Oh, wave it in the air. Wave it in the air. Wave it in the air. Wave it. Everybody, put it on your head. 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 Put it on. I'm sure you know this one. Listen. Jesus, you are worthy. Sing it. Thou art. One more time, say Jesus. You are worthy. Thou art what? Thou alone are what? Say. No, no, no. Oh my God! Shall we make it? Anybody? replacing the 5 with the 3 minor 7 as well. All right, so what we're going to do, we play the left hand is playing as the 2 chord now, 2 4 6, and the right hand we play 4 6 1. That's fa la do, and the left hand plays re fa la. So this is a G minor 7. That's the first chord, and the second chord we just going to the 3. So the left hand is playing A minor, and the right hand is going to play the C major. So when you add everything together, it gives you A minor 7. So you can remove this left C, so it's the same thing. So A minor 7, right?
So this is the second chord. This is the first chord. Second chord. Now we are going to play it after every 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So the next part of this lesson is just to add the 2 as you're playing the 2 chord. So instead of playing as right hand, instead of playing this, we are going to arpeggiate it. So we are playing fa la re do, fa la re do, fa la re do. Yeah, we're going to. So so ti re ti. Just like the highlife. So I've done a similar tutorial on highlife, and you can just watch that video up here. It's a similar progression. So first chord. So praise songs that are moving from the 4 to the 5, we can replace that. So like the song he sang, Kene Numeya. Yeah, so that's what they did. You're just moving from the 2 to the -7. Now there's this other song. Na no way, Ogo no mo kiri mo se na no way. Same thing. Oh, say na no way, na no way, na no way. No mo kiri mo se na no way. So it's the same thing. Now you have to vamp it. You can't just play like this during praise. So left hand steady. Right, so that's it. Very simple, easy. You can apply it in your praises and just work on it on all keys. In F sharp, it's the same. So we are moving from the 2 and we are going to the 3. So going to the 3. That's for F sharp. And in C sharp, so we are moving from the 2. Can't play C sharp. So we're moving from the 2 to the 3. So play it on all keys. Is the 2 to the 3, 2 to 3, -7, -7, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments. I can do the bass line for this progression, just like the way it was done in the song. I can play the bass line and vamp on the right hand. If you want me to do that, I will just drop a comment and I will do that in the next video. Thank you guys. See you.